Hi guys, welcome back to Backyard Aviary. This is a video about what we feed our selection of birds in our aviary. We have quite a large selection of different species of birds in the aviary. We have several species of finch, a few species of quail, 2 species of dove, a pair of golden pheasants, some canaries, the list goes on. We have to supply the birds with enough different types of food so all the different species are sustained and happy. One of the main things we put out is a large selection of different seeds, including millets, sunflower seeds and peanuts. This is a staple part of many of the species' diet, especially the finches. We also put out fresh greens, that's salad and fruit. Everything we put out is safe for the birds to eat. We often hang up millet spray for the birds to feed from. Another good thing that we put out for them is live mealworms. Many of the birds, especially the quails, some of the finches and the pheasants, like live food. All of these foods have to be also supplemented with cuttlefish bone and grit to help digestion.